gonna cook. And so I'm gonna call upon them. Hey, come over guys, please. You? How are you?
I'm fine, by the grace of God.
By the grace of God, you're doing great, right?
Yeah.
What's your name, please?
Isaac.
Isaac.
Yeah.
Isaac? How old are you, Isaac?
14 years.
Oh, 14 years. What's your name?
My name is Patience.
Her name is Patience. Patience is the one who is going to doing the cooking, but Isaac is here to assist her, and I think they are siblings, right?
Yeah.
You guys?
We are Terrier.
Indomie. You do it? Are you sure?
Yes.
All right. Have your onions?
My green pepper,
Uh-huh.
carrots,
Uh-huh.
and my
Onion leaves.
onion leaves.
All right. And what again?
My Indomie, 2 pieces of Indomie.
And then you have your Indomie and the
And my salad.
and you have your sardine. Okay. It has gone for about 5 minutes, right?
Yes.
What is our next step, please?
I'm going to add my ingredients to the Indomie.
Indomie.
Yeah.
Okay, so Patience is adding her ingredients into the Indomie. Okay. Alright, Patience. Okay. That's great. That's great. And you're going to stir it, right?
Yes.
That's great. That's great. Patience seems to be very shy. No, you're leaving it on for about what, 2 minutes, right? Okay. Alright. So that is it. 2 minutes.
We're going to drain out the water.
You're going to drain out the water. Okay. Alright. Let's see. Let's see. So they are going to drain out the water.
You shut off your gas. Put on your front part or your sassafras.
And so I am going to put my oil, right? Okay, keep on helping, Isaac. They are frying their egg. I'm going to cover it for some time.
It's okay. You can leave it like that.
You can leave it like that.
Yeah.
Okay. Isaac, can you please explain it to us?
Yeah. We are frying the egg for some time. And we add our ingredients to it. Our pepper, onion, carrot,
Okay.
to the egg.
Alright.
And then we will add our ingredients to the egg. And you stir. After you finish stirring it, you add your Indomie to the egg. Yes, and our
No, Kasa. And so viewers, they are making the Indomie and they've already fried their eggs and they've added their ingredients. And so they have their carrot inside, they have their onions, and they have their green pepper. Oh, one more thing. Their onion leaves inside it. Okay. So
we will add our Indomie to the sauce.
oh, okay. You don't leave this on for a longer time. You just add it right away.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You can now off your gas.
Yeah.
So how long did you leave this on after you added everything? How long did you leave it on?
2 minutes.
Just 2 minutes?
Yes.
Wasn't it good to soak?
Yeah.
I mean, I'm talking about the oil, all the flavor. Did you get the flavor and everything?
Yes, everything was complete.
Okay. And so, boys, right now our Indomie is ready. The Indomie prepared by Patience and Isaac is ready.
Do you want to try?
Do I want to try? Of course. Let me have a taste, Isaac. Let me have a taste. Enjoying what I'm seeing, even though it's not ready, it's content to do. I am gonna try. Hey, Adriano, why do? Hey, and so viewers, I am gonna have a taste of the food. I'm gonna try. Isaac, do you really think that it's gonna taste good?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure? A French person will say vis-a-vis Bombay. Ah, Bombay or Bombay? Sorry, my French is gone. Anyways, let me just have a taste. Can you please stand here? Have a taste. Patience. How your food
Goes.
How about this? How about this? How about this? Listen. Have you been doing this at home?
Yeah.
You've been doing this at home?
Yeah.
What? The food tastes so great. And I am loving it. Alright viewers, I did enjoy the food. It tastes so great. I love it. But I think they missed something. Why did you guys miss your sardine?
Yeah. Because of the oil.
As
For me, assisting my sister, I don't want it.
You don't want it.
Yeah.
And so that is why you decided not to add it.
Yeah. But you can decide to add it when you're cooking some at home.
Okay, so you can decide to add it. But for him, he doesn't like that much of adding sardine. Okay, okay. But anyways, without a sardine, it's so nice. Thank you guys. How old are you? 8 years. And you 14 years, you said. Thank you so much. And say bye-bye.